Hi there, this is the S sound, as in the words see, say and sell. The S sound is from the consonant pairs group and it's called the voiceless alveolar sibilant. This means that you create friction through clenched teeth by directing airflow with the tip of the tongue. The S sound is made through the mouth and it's unvoiced, which means you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the shape of your teeth and the position of your tongue. And it's a sibilant sound, which means it's a sound made by directing a stream of air with the tongue towards the sharp edge of the teeth. To produce the sound, clench your teeth together lightly and put your tongue just behind them, restricting the airflow to a narrow channel over the tongue and through the teeth. Then push the air through the channel and through the teeth. S, s, s. The S sound is normally spelled with the letter S, as in the words so and just. But it can also be spelled with the letter C when it's followed by an I or an E, as in the words city and once. Here are some words that begin with the S sound. Some, school, still, and state. Here are some words with the S sound in the middle. Just, first, also, and last. And here are some words with the S sound at the end. This, us, place, and case. So that's it for the S sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, single consonants and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the overall phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video to this, with lots of examples and an explanation of how to pronounce that sound. At the English Language Club, we also offer live online classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. To make a booking with me or one of our other teachers, visit our website. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.